we're taking this bus. We have 4 hours to relax, and then we are in Hamburg, and our first host will pick us up at the bus station.
Yvonne, what happened?
Yeah, you missed the moment.
I know.
Yeah, we got here. He's already here. Yeah. This is our next house, but our luggage is in.
Yes, I think.
So we get our luggage, and then he decides. So we left the bus, and it drove away, and our luggage is inside. Now our host also left us to find our luggage, but the bus left. I don't know. Day 3 and we already lost our luggage.
But I guess it's the bus over there.
Okay, all good. We got our luggage back.
Oh, nice.
Our first stop.
Yeah.
Our small comfy kitchen. They are amazing. I love those glasses. Those are my 2 flatmates, Hannah and Hannah.
They both are called
They
Hannah.
both are called Hannah, yes.
You chose that because it makes it easier for you.
Yeah, it's so easy. I'm not really good with names.
So you thought like,
Yeah.
if I only have to remember one name, it doesn't look at all
The same exactly.
like you. Okay.
You ready?
Are you ready? Yes.
I'm ready.
Yes, it's over there.
I lived here. 3 years ago, I lived in Hamburg. I know you cannot feel my excitement, but I am excited.
About the ferry wheel, it's a challenge that we had to do, and I'm excited because I'm going to see Hamburg from above. We are just finished our first challenge, which was being in a ferry wheel. Teamwork!
Okay.
It's amazing, guys. Look at
I'm very excited. You're wonderful first host. This is like such a good experience.
Thank you.
Really, cheers.
Cheers.